What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving a very important update on Internet Computer. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So just to give a little recap, we've actually nailed ICP 2 times in a row. So in my second most recent ICP video, I had ICP drawn in a bull flag and I called out the bullish divergence. And at that time, ICP was trading at $9.70. And I said bull flags break up 68% of the time. Fast forward to now and we broke out of that bull flag almost perfectly. And had you guys taken this trade, you could have made up to 68% gains in 8 days. And if you compare that to the stock market where the average return is 10% in a year, that would mean we made in 8 days what the stock market makes in over 6 years, which are actually incredible gains. But now here's a problem with the coin pumping. In my last video, I warned you guys that there was Class A bearish divergence. So I said, if you guys are looking to get into ICP, there is a pretty high likelihood that ICP does have a retracement. And at that time, ICP was trading at $13.92. Fast forward to now, and that retracement has started to happen. And now we are trading at $12.23. Now, obviously, technical analysis doesn't always work, but there is definitely a science to it. And if you understand how to utilize it, you can make a lot of money. But now I have some very exciting news. So for those of you guys that enjoy making gains in the crypto market, I have recently launched a private Discord through Patreon. I have 3 different tiers. I have a trader tier, an exclusive tier, and a VIP tier. And there are many benefits to joining this Discord. Now, if you guys are really only interested in technical analysis, I recommend joining the trader tier. I post trade setups all the time, very similar to this one. And that is only $9.99 a month. And then I have the exclusive tier and the VIP tier. These are for those of you guys that want to track exactly what I am doing. And you want to have access to my buy alerts, my sell alerts, my consideration alerts, and the projects that I am currently holding. So again, I highly recommend joining my Discord. I genuinely believe it will give you a significant leg up on the competition heading into the next bull market. But now we'll get back to ICP. So it's currently trading at $12.28. Its market cap is $5.5 billion, which ranks 17th among all cryptocurrencies. And its circulating supply is 454 million out of a total supply of 512 million. And if you guys are looking to trade ICP, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the 2 easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now, as usual, I like to go over the all-time high of ICP in every single one of my videos, just because there is a lot of misconceptions. So if you look at CoinMarketCap, it says ICP reached an all-time high of $750 and is down 98% since then. But the first thing you need to understand is when it reached those levels, there was significantly less supply and circulation. Just to show you what I mean, if you take a look at market cap of and you compare the current market cap of ICP to the all-time high market cap of ICP, which was 18.5 billion. If we got back to those levels, ICP would be trading at a price point of $40 and that'd be a 3x. So just to get back to all-time highs, it is only a 3.3x. But what you will probably notice is that $40 is nowhere near $750, which just shows you that there has been some dilution that has taken place. But then the other thing you need to understand is that ICP was severely manipulated at its launch by FTX and New York Times, which is a big reason that if you look at the all-time chart of ICP, it does look like a complete rug pull. And believe me, I do not forget that because I have people say that in the comment section all the time. But evidently, they don't understand that ICP's launch was manipulated. So my point simply is that you need to look deeper into this project. Don't just let this chart deter you from investing in ICP. Obviously, that's not financial advice, but there is way more to this project, as it quite literally can do everything on chain, which makes it a very unique, innovative project. And in many ways, it gives it superior technology. But anyways, now we'll look at the Dfinity Twitter. So they have 684,000 followers. And the first thing is what they posted 19 hours ago. Read our 2023 multi-chain recap with the latest ICP news and updates. And I'll go ahead and click on the link. So they have the ICP and Bitcoin integration and CKBTC. In 2023, the Bitcoin ecosystem witnessed a transformative moment with the release of the native Bitcoin integration on the internet computer, introducing Chain Key Blockchain, CKBTC, as a trustless Bitcoin twig. Now, personally, I love to see that they are integrated with Bitcoin. Regardless of what a lot of people think about Bitcoin's technology, they are the OG of crypto. And if Bitcoin were to fail, there would be a lot of other cryptocurrencies that would also fail. So if ICP can help Bitcoin, that's going to be beneficial for the entire crypto market. And then they also posted CK ETH is here. And then last but not least, multi-chain future. Now, I won't go super in depth into these, but if you are interested, feel free to check them out. And then what they posted January 4th. Chain key cryptography is a toolbox of advanced cryptographic mechanisms on ICP using a threshold signature scheme. Internet Computer is the first blockchain to fully integrate this scheme into the core of its design for chain key cryptography. And this is one of the reasons that I called them an alien among other layer ones earlier in the video. They have a very unique technology. And purely from an investment standpoint, there are a lot of people who are going to love to see that. Innovation is always a driving factor of a good investment. But now we'll go over some macro news that could affect ICP's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to ICP. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter, and I'm going to be very brief on this section. The reality is it is all about the Bitcoin spot ETFs. So 1 hour ago, VanEck spot Bitcoin ETF ticker will be HODL, which is actually kind of cool. But they just posted 15 hours ago. All spot Bitcoin ETF applicants submitted their 19B4 final amendments. And this includes VanEck, Bitwise, Fidelity, Franklin, Valkyrie, Hashdex, ARK Invest, Grayscale, Blackrock, WisdomTree, and Invesco Galaxy. And then they posted 16 hours ago, SEC has no more feedback on the Bitcoin ETFs, approval on the way. And to be completely honest with you, at the current moment, the ETFs are really all that matters from a macro standpoint. Obviously, I'm not talking from a long-term perspective, but in the short term, this truly is all that matters. And we absolutely should know within the next couple days whether or not these are going to get approved. And they could significantly impact price action. And that could be in a very positive way or a very negative way. So just keep your eyes on these. Now, since we're already on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow. I'm going to start trying to grow my X account, and I'm going to be posting on here pretty much every day. So make sure you stay tuned. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is ICP on the daily time frame. And as I said, had you guys taken this initial bull flag trade, you could have made up to 68% gains in 8 days. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So as I said earlier, we did have Class A bearish divergence. Now, you could argue that that has already started to play out, hence the reason that we have started to drop and we've had 3 red candles in a row. Now, what I will say is I would not be surprised if we actually dropped a little bit more than this. The reason for that is because ICP is starting to form a bull flag. And oftentimes when you see a bull flag get formed, price action will come down and bounce off the 21-day moving average as support. So personally, at the current moment, I'd be watching the 21-day moving average. One way that we would shift bearish is if price action broke beneath and then we had a bearish retest. A lot of other projects in the market have had that happen recently, but because ICP pumps so hard, they are still above the 21-day. Now, this bull flag has a measured move to just over $18, which would create new local highs, and that would provide some very nice gains. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And Bitcoin has had a very bumpy ride recently. I was initially very bullish on Bitcoin when it was trading in this bull flag and using the 21-day moving average as support. And I said this bull flag has a measured move to just over $48,000. However, Bitcoin then got rejected off of this previous high and then broke beneath the 21-day moving average. So I then shifted bearish. But then recently, all the ETF news has been coming out, so price action has been acting very strange. We had a big pump and then we had a massive dump where we bounced off the 50-day moving average. But anyways, right now, Bitcoin is trading above the 21-day. And if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI swings from a higher low to a lower low, which is Class A bullish divergence, which typically signals a local bottom has been reached. So purely from a technical analysis standpoint, I would not be surprised if Bitcoin breaks up to 48,000. But this is probably going to be one of those times where macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis, like I say in pretty much every video. So just understand that in the short term, crypto is going to be extremely volatile. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.